Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to protect your Excel sheet with the password. So click on the file button first, and on info click on the protect workbook and scroll down to the encrypt with password, and here on the text box put any password as you like and click on the OK button, and again enter the password, same password, click on the OK and click on the save. So now your Excel sheet is protected with the password. Now let's check the worksheet again. So it cannot be open, it's password protected, so I will give you the password 1 2 3 4. Now it's open. So if you want to delete the password, again click on the file and on info click on the protect workbook and scroll down to the encrypt with the password and delete the password or remove the password. Click on the OK button and click on the save. Let's close the Excel. Now again open the sheet and it is opened. So thank you very much.